We are highly motivated in our lives when we are moving towards something, when we have a goal in mind, a project, an outward something that excites us, that pulls us forward. And when we get bogged down in our day-to-day routine, we lose that motivation. So how can we now become an energy creator, a generator, where we can generate the emotion that we want to feel? And let's start out with just something simple as generating a positive outlook on life, something that moves us forward. As you are waking up, you're there's a very short period of time where you're starting to kind of stir and you're starting to kind of come back to consciousness, is that right in there is a neutral place. It doesn't last very long, and it can be very quick. And then sometimes if you're dealing with some things that are really strong and really tough emotions in your life, it can be a punch in the face. Oh yeah, I lost my job yesterday. Oh yeah, I'm going through a divorce. Oh yeah, I lost my partner. And that punch in the face, and before you start to stir, that gap is the magic. And sometimes it's only 0.02 seconds, but that's the magic. And that is a place where you can go, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to look at things differently. Right here, you can say, I surrender. Right here, you can say, I'm looking towards the light. I'm looking towards something more positive. It's okay. I'm okay. I'm going to breathe in this moment right before you may get punched in the face with the big, heavy thing that you're currently dealing with. Try that. Try that on for size. When our lives are getting stuck in that routine, when we are up to our eyeballs with the same day-to-day thing and we have lost our joy, we start to spiral downward towards fear. And the opposite of fear is love. The opposite of fear is love. And fear, real true fear, is when there's a saber-toothed tiger chasing you. That's real true fear. But we conjure up these beliefs about our lives and ourselves that create this fear that we sink down into this space. And I'm asking you now to try to look up and out of the barrel that you're in, that you put yourself in, that sometimes I put myself in. I have fear too. I'm afraid of my business. I'm afraid of my parenting skills, the impact that I'll have on the boys that live in my house. I'm afraid of the long-term longevity of my own health. And the impact that I have on the people that I surround myself with. And I have limiting beliefs. But in that moment, in that gap, I try to say, I surrender. I'm going to move to something better. I'm going to choose a better feeling thought today. And that, I hope, starts your day off with magnificence and starts your day off right. And just let these words sink in a little bit. Take a moment now to get out of your head, get out of that place of fear, and get into the space of, you know what, today I'm going to look at things differently.